Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to our JavaScript video tutorial. In today's video, we will dive deep into JavaScript arrays, one of the most essential tools for handling and organizing data in your projects. Now let's start today's session. So friends, first of all, let's see what is an array. In JavaScript, an array is like a special container that can hold multiple items in one place. For examples, numbers like 1, 2, 3, strings like apple and banana, even other arrays. The best part, these items are ordered and we can access them using their index number starting from 0. Now let's come to how to declare it. Here's how you can create array in JavaScript. So first we can create declare like an empty array. We create let array1 equals to square brackets and it's empty array. Then let array2 equals to this is a number array. We can put integer values like 1 2 3. So we declare an array with elements 1 2 and 3. Then third array 3 equals to like string array, like we can take apple, bananas, cherries, yeah, any other string values in this array. So array with defined set of elements like let array1 like 4 5 1 7 or 3 array, this is called array1 has 5 elements. You can also create array using the new array method. So here you can see this let array2 equals to new array5. So this is creates an empty array2 with empty 5 slots. The values will be undefined initially. Now let's take an example accessing an array. First of all, we open my code editor. Here let's create an array and print the third elements using its index. So first we create one array. Let's numbers and give a numbers. Okay, then square braces, then 2 4 10 5 15 and 3. Now we print in console, so we take console.log. So here we create like we want index, we have a index number, so we can take numbers like numbers. We can fetch any of these, so we can jump. Now you can see here's my array 2 4 10 5 15 and 3. So we can 10, we want 10. So basically we put it here an index number like 0 1 and 2. So we put here 2. So we access the 10. So here's the number 2 give us 10 because the index start from 0. So the output will be the third element is 10. Basically this is an array example. Now let's come to array methods. JavaScript provides many built-in methods to work with arrays. Let's look at few. Like first one is a push. The push methods adds a new elements to the end of the array. So we create first element like we can take an array. Let's fruits. Okay, we can take let's fruits equals to like we give like apples. We have apples. Sorry, we have apple. Then banana. Okay, so we have an array fruits like apple and banana. We want to add one more thing like a cherry. So how can we put that? So we should take a push method. Now fruits dot push to let. Now we can add a cherry, so we can take cherry. Now console.log. Now we check fruits. So Now you can see apple, banana, cherry. Okay, first we remove that, then I will show you what is our array have. Now look at this. We have apple and banana in our array. Now we have add. We use a push method and add a cherry in our array. So our array was apple, bananas, and cherries like this. So second is the pop method. The pop method removes the last element from the array and return it. So let me show you an example. Like we use now we have console.log fruits. Like you can see apple, bananas, and cherry. So here we have take a push method. Okay, now can take it in our, here we put that. Now you can see we have apple, bananas, and cherries. Okay, we have three arrays. So we can use a pop method to remove the last fruit. Then so we can take a let last fruit. Now you can see we have only banana and apple. My cherry was gone because we use here a fruit pop. So our apple, cherry was gone. So here we take last fruit. Now I can sorry, it's a fruit, last fruit, not fruits. Okay, now you can see this is the cherry. Now third is shift. The shift method removes the first element from an array and return it, shifting all remaining elements down. So we have a cherry, apple, banana. So here we use a shift method. So let first fruit, we can take a first fruit. Here we use shift method. Now clear it, and we use here first. Now you can see we have apple. What is our first fruit? It is apple. Now the same like last we want a pop, then first we use a shift method. Now we can check a console.log. Here we use fruits. We can check what fruits have. So here we have only bananas and cherry because apple is shifted to another array. That's why we have only bananas and cherry. Now our fourth is the unshift method. The unshift method adds one or more elements to the beginning of an array and returns the new length of the array. So let's check this also. So here we use unshift. We take actual fruits, take fruits. Okay, we have only added, like we add uh pineapple. Now here you share we have only four, index number 4. Now fifth is splice. The splice methods can remove, replace, or add elements at a specific position in the array. Now Let's fruits equals to apple, bananas, and cherry. Now we use splice method. So we can take a splice. Now you see what is our output like pineapple, apple, bananas, and cherry. So this is our unshift method. Now let's talk about the splice method. The splice methods can remove, replace, or add elements at a specific position in the array. So now let's take an example here. So we use splice method here. So first of all, we use splice here. Splice. Now we take one. Now we have added a pineapple and grapes. Here you saw we have apple, pineapple, grapes, and cherry. Now where is our banana? Banana is replaced by a pineapple and grapes. Here what I can do if I only put it one here. So my array is like apple, grapes, bananas, and cherry. Pineapple is not visible there, so that's why we need one here. Now look at this. We want one place for pineapple, so 0 1. Banana is now pineapple is our banana's place. So here we use splice method for this condition. Now sixth is the slice. The slice methods let you extract the portions of an array without modifying the original array. So look at an examples. Let's fruits, apple, bananas, and cherry. We use more two options like grapes and orange. Like we added grapes and orange. Now we use slice method. So we take like let take spliced. Now we take. Now you can see we take slice. Here want we want only a 1 and 4. We want slice index 1 to 4. So here you can see apple, bananas, cherry, grapes, and orange. So if I copy and paste it here, so with index 1 to 4, we have create a new array like that: bananas, cherry, and grapes. 0 1 2 3 and 4. It's remove 1 and 4. It's only slice banana, cherry, and grapes. If we put it here 3, so let's see what is our output. It's bananas and cherries like that. 0 1 2 then 3. So it's not taken by a slice. Now seventh one is our for each. The for each methods allow you to perform an action for every element in the array. So let's take an example. Let fruits, apple, bananas, cherries. Now we use we can take a for each loop now. So for each we can take fruits dot for each. Now we have a function like function. We can take fruit here and then this is our curly braces. Now inside the curly braces we use this we use fruits dot sorry, fruit dot uppercase. Sorry. Now you can see our output here. So for each function fruits, here we can take this argument list. Okay, this is our apple, bananas, and cherry. Now we take fruit dot to. Now you can see apple, bananas, and cherries in a uppercase. So here we taken an example like for each. Now our eighth one is map method. The map method creates a new array by applying a functions to every element in the original array. It doesn't modify the original array. Now let's take an examples. Here we create a numbers array. Let numbers equals to 1, 2, 3, and a 4. Now let double numbers dot map, create a map function here. Number, here we take a return number into a console.log. Okay, here we take an example like this one. This is our syntax error. You can take an example like same. Now you can see a 1, 2, 3. So it's 1, 4, and 9. It's a square. 1, 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 3, 9. We have add 4, 5, 6. Now you can see 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, and 36. So here we double each number using map method. Now let's talk about filters. So the filters methods create a new array containing elements that meet a specific conditions. So we take an examples here. So we copy it and paste it here. Now you see 2 and 4. So we create an array. Let's numbers is a 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let even numbers equals to number dot filters. We use a filter method here. Then function num. We create a num parameter. Return num per divisible, or we use a modulus here. Modulus by 2 equals to 0. Then 0. So we are console.log. It's an even number. So we out our output is our console, it's like 2 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like we have 6. Now you can see 7, 8, and 9. Now you can see 2, 4, 6, it divisible by 2, and our answer is equals to 0. So it's an even number. Now let's see iterating over arrays in JavaScript. So friends, you can use different techniques to loop through arrays in JavaScript. Here are a few common ones, like using a for loop. So let's see the flow diagrams here. So the program will start, and we take let's fruits array like apple, bananas, cherries. Then it will go the condition flow like the here for let I equals to 0, I fruits dot length, then I plus plus. Then it will go the condition flow, the two condition here like yes and no. If the condition is true, then this flow is going to here. Then console dot log fruits iterating one time, two time, three time. If the condition is fulfilled, the loop will be end. So here is the examples, like we can copy it and paste it here. Now first create like apple, bananas. Now you can see apple, bananas and cherries, like for each method we use. So let I equals to 0, then I is greater than fruit dot length. If it equals to fruit dot length, its length is 3. So then I plus plus, then console dot log fruits I, it's iterating like I plus plus. So one more time iterate, then one more time iterate. So next is our using of loop. So let's see the flow diagram. It is same similar to our for loop, only syntax different. So we take an examples like we only take for this for loop. Okay, let's so for let fruit of fruits console dot log fruit. Now you can see apple, bananas and cherry, same output here. This is a similar way to loop through as array. So friends, array make it is super easy to store and work with multiple values in JavaScript. They come with powerful methods and flexible ways to loop through data. If you want to know anything else, you can ask in the comments. Keep smiling and happy coding. Thank you.